In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and install the Phantom application and make sure that you have already created a wallet. Next up, you need to make sure that you actually have some funds in order to purchase meme coins with. So at the moment, I did choose Solana. So what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and purchase either something like Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. And basically using those, you can go ahead and purchase meme coins. So you need to purchase one of these before you go ahead and purchase meme coins. So I already purchased Solana. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on whichever one you were trying to buy and go ahead and press on this option that says more, and then go ahead and press on buy just like so. And then you need to go ahead and just select the amount that you would like to purchase, and then you would need to go ahead and basically link your debit card or your credit card. All right, but let's just say you already did all that. The next thing you would need to do is you need to go to the bottom center button with the swap icon over here, and then all we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on you pay, and you need to go ahead and select from what fund you are going to be using in order to buy these meme coins. So I'm going to be using Solana to purchase these meme coins, and then go ahead and enter how much you would actually want to pay. So this could be 25%, 50%, or the max. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on 50% for this video, and then over here where it says you receive, you need to go ahead and select on what meme coin you would like to purchase. So it has to be a meme coin that either works on the Solana platform, Ethereum based, or Polygon. So again, we're using Solana, so we can only go ahead and purchase meme coins that are with Solana. So basically you can go ahead and just look up anything you want. I know there's a lot of crazy meme coins out there, so I'm not going to give you financial advice or anything like that. This is not financial advice, but let's just say, for example, you want to go ahead and purchase some Doge AI, then all you would need to do is press on that like so, and then it is going to say the provider, the price, all that good stuff. And then once you read ahead and read everything, go ahead and press on swap now. And now it is going to begin swapping the tokens, and then there you go, it will say it is done and the tokens have been deposited to our wallet. So once you're done with that, go ahead and press on close, and just like that, you have now purchased meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.